sea que como el 5, el no sé qué otro, el 7. No, estos son trolebuses. No, ese es el 5. No, es que últimamente son cosas que no los usaban antes, que hasta ahorita se les quedaron las... Ay. ¿Qué es esto? No, pues, no, salió este también. No. No, pues... No, que el 120, por 122 lo puede tomar, pero tiene que tomar el otro. No, no, pues también, no depende, como es que vive para ese lado, yo por el 29.
¿Y no maneja o qué?
No, pues no, es que pues creo que tiene que tomar el 28 para llegar allá o la M también. No depende, pues, ajá. No, no.
O sea, muy buen servicio esos camiones, fíjate, muy buen servicio, solo que pues, el problema que a veces si va uno lejos, duran muchísimo.
No, pues, no, eso lado, ajá, no, pues, no, eso que es, último yo creo que no, pues, no, es que como, no, pues, no, que es como Fairfield, todas esas áreas, no, pues han reducido bien mucho. Ya es como por las ventas, ya como Uber, tiene que uno pedir en la aplicación. Pero no, pues es que están como que de moda últimamente. Ajá. Es que está medio... No, es que aquí como que no, está aquí ahí parado casi en medio, no se ve a veces. Pero no, pues, ajá,
Como que en esos camiones, bueno, sí, pues se ven muchos chinillos, pero bueno, hasta ahorita no me ha tocado ver más jovencitos como él. Ese tipo no.
Ajá. No, pues, no, que ellos, pues que mucha gente que no sabe de dónde viven, pues no saben nada, que no conocen nada. Pues, él como que de ahí de donde vive no sabe qué, pues no es como va aquí a la universidad, pero de ahí nada más. Ajá, no, pues tú. Ajá. No, estaba muy bien. No tiene, ajá, no, como a... No, pero nada, para que todavía siguen, ajá, no, por las clases también que escogen, que a veces están, ajá, no, que algunos días a la semana, depende, los horarios que escogen, ¿no? Ajá, no,
Fox weather is up next.
From the Fox News Podcasts Network, in these ever-changing times, you can rely on Fox News for hourly updates for the very latest news and information on your time. Listen and download now at foxnewspodcast.com or wherever you get your favorite podcasts. Hello, I'm David Figueroa. This
Estaba bien esto.
Lindas,
No, es como hay ciertos radios que tienen como, no sé, son estaciones de FM que lo que, sé como artista, nombre de artista, canción, información así, no sé, ahí nunca ponen eso, pero como es satélites todo el tiempo ponen todo que, sí, hasta los comerciales, cuando trabaja, que no trabaja, entonces pues casi siempre no hay señal. Ajá, no, acá hay de estos como aparatos que puede uno comprar y transferir la suscripción a eso, como creo que es lo que voy a tener que hacer. Ajá, no, como... No. Ajá, sí. Ay, no.
Any shower activity that occurs may be brief, but overall, dry conditions are finally rounding out this week. Keep the latest weather updates anytime, anywhere by downloading the Fox Weather app at foxweather.com.
Looking at temperatures now, it's 51 degrees here in the nation's capital and around the country. Los Angeles clear at 60. Detroit overcast, 41. Atlanta, few clouds. Mild 55 degrees. We will have your top stories at the bottom of the hour. That is next.
Keeping you informed with headlines every 15 minutes.
I'm Shayna Stewart, Fox. He wanted it shot down. He wanted it shot down Wednesday, but then the military said wait till it was over the water so that no one got hurt on the ground. Republicans are critical.
This is the first time the U.S. has shot down foreign aircraft on U.S. soil since World War II. Officials say they wanted to make sure the suspected spy balloon that made it out to sea before shooting it down to avoid any serious injuries in this area and elsewhere from fallen debris. But there are a lot of questions why it took so long to bring that balloon down. Congressman Russell Fried, who represents this area, says he wants answers.
There was a missile that was fired over Myrtle Beach yesterday to take this balloon out. That's concerning on that front alone. But to wait that long, why? And it really wasn't. What's shocking to me is that it wasn't until the media actually picked up on this. I think in Montana that White House officials actually began addressing it.
Charles Watson reporting China says the U.S. is overreacting.
Unsurprisingly, China's foreign ministry is trying to pass the takedown of their surveillance balloon as an attack on a civilian airship.
Estos días son feos, y se me está esperando mi camión de... Entonces, ¿quieres comenzar antes de acostarte?
Comcast presents complete connectivity. It's the largest, fastest,
Financial Swiss Army knife. I'll explain why next on Three-Dimensional Wealth Radio. This is Three-Dimensional Wealth Radio with New York Times best-selling author and your host, Doug Andrews. This is Doug Andrews speaking to you, our incredible national audience, from our Three-Dimensional Wealth studios nestled at the base of the majestic Rocky Mountains. This show is about empowering you, people, and organizations to want to optimize their assets, minimize taxes, and empower if you're joining us right now, I've been talking about asset optimization, tax minimization, and if you've listened to me very much on this show, perhaps you have watched some of my educational videos on my YouTube channel, Three-Dimensional Wealth. It's free when you subscribe. One of my favorite financial instruments, bar none, as a retirement planning specialist now for nearly 5 decades, is a properly structured, maximum funded, indexed universal life insurance contract. If it is properly structured and funded to the max as soon as possible, it qualifies to be deemed a laser fund. Laser is an acronym that I've used for years.
No, pues te digo, no, ya mañana te dicen que sea, que tienes que dejarme descansar unos días. Joel me trajo acá a comprar cosas, ya me hizo el favor. Sí, ahorita venimos de camino ya para la casa. Entonces ya... No, pues yo compré una pizza. Ya vamos para allá, para la casa. Eso, y pues comimos en la casa tostadas también, pero bueno, que sobró de ayer, pero bueno. Entonces, ya para que llegues ya mañana pues ya nomás Está raro, está raro, está raro eso. Está raro, no sabía. Ahí ya tienes que ponerte listo, sabes que ya depende de quién te digan, y si no, tienes que ir a cárcel, que te atiendan ahí, esto y lo otro, no, basta.
One or two hands go up out of 1,000. Well, how many think that taxes will likely be higher in the future? A sea of hands always goes up.
De que no tiene demanda, no, tampoco.
Well, why are you continuing to defer, procrastinate, paying tax on those IRAs or 401ks to some future perceived unknown advantage to where it's going to be even more money and pay higher rates on
No, pues ya depende que te digan mañana y cómo salieron los resultados, depende todo eso. Y ya le dices, tú ahí no te dejes, ahí dile, yo necesito descanso, no puedo.
They almost kick themselves, and so I have to sort of cure their disease. Now, when you're not at ease physically, we call that dis-ease, right? And so I sometimes have to cure people from the financial not at ease or dis-ease. And all of a sudden they realize they need all this money.
Es que hasta que no vayas allá te van a decir, yo creo, espera.
This is probably the most important 6 hours you could ever invest to make sure you don't outlive your money. So make sure you stay with me here to the end so that you can join us. My favorite vehicle to accumulate, access, and transfer money totally income tax-free is a properly structured max-funded indexed universal life insurance contract where every $1 million can generate $80,000, $90,000, $100,000 a year of tax-free income without depleting principal. If you live to be 120, that doesn't even compare to IRAs or 401ks with a 4% rule. Many times people have been able to double, triple, even quadruple their net spendable income. We do this all the time. And so a lot of people use this laser fund for retirement. But then they usually raise their hand in one of these events and they go, hey, Doug, this is a no-brainer. Yeah, this is way better than keeping my money in these IRAs or 401ks. And they want to check out what's called a strategic rollout. That's not a rollover. This is getting money out of their IRAs or 401ks, usually over a 5-year period, strategically, to get the taxes.
Bueno, pues mira, ahorita ya vamos a llegar a bajar todo, yo creo que va a tener que parquearse en otro lado, si hubiera un parque rápido, cerca. Y no está el clima bien feo, bueno, ahorita no está lloviendo ni nada, pero unas nubesonas horribles,
in they say, golly, Doug, I was coming to this because it's called Retire by Design. Could I use one of these vehicles for some other financial goals too? And I go, absolutely. Because sometimes they don't connect the dots. So I go, you know what? If you use one of these excellent IULs for a college savings account for your kids or grandkids, it will knock the socks off of a 529 college savings plan. Why would you ever mess around with a 529 college savings plan? They have too many strings attached, and it's too restricted. If your child ends up getting a scholarship and doesn't need the money out of that 529 plan, and they use it for a down payment on a home or to start a business, they have to pay tax on it. If you did that college savings plan in a laser fund, it would be tax-free no matter what. They don't have to use it for college, okay? And if you happen to die sooner than later, it blossoms, and 529 plans don't blossom and pay out higher when a death occurs.
Dándole a ti los brazos, el brazo derecho por la manejada, Yo creo que papá que son del lado derecho, que le molesta diario mucho, le digo, no manejas mucho también.
To be able to make $2 or $3 million that year on an apartment complex.
No, es que, ajá, no.
¿Te das la vuelta?
No, es que iba a quedarme acá, pero no hay nada. A veces me quedo allá arriba también.
Sí, pero el problema es que te vas a bajar tanto.
Continuing to earn the index rate. And in 2017, they got credited 25%. From 2020 to 2021, they got credited 61.33%. So they kept earning those rates of return on their million while they were technically using that million in their business to make a few million. How? Because the insurance company loaned them $1 million, using the $1 million they had with the insurance company as collateral. So they kept earning money on the money that was theirs in the insurance company that was collateralizing a loan from the insurance company. The insurance company loans them the money at 2% or 5%, and they kept earning 25 to 61%. This is incredible. Savvy real estate investors do the same thing. They keep their working capital liquid and safe. This is where I keep my real estate money liquid and safe, and any positive cash flow. But what about an emergency fund? Oh yeah, this is where banks and credit unions will take 30 to 40% of the money that you deposit in a bank or credit union, and they'll put it into these insurance companies. They'll pay you 1%, they'll turn around and make 5%. Just bypass the middleman, and you can access your money not through a drive-up window, but with maybe an electronic funds transfer or phone call. Talk about if you're a school teacher or a police officer or a firefighter, you can use this to maximize your pension, estate planning, strategic rollout, capital transfer. So if you want to learn more about this financial Swiss Army knife where IUL can be the dream solution, and you live in the greater San Francisco Bay Area, get ready to jot down the cities and dates we're coming to teach half-day educational events called Retire by Design. These are free. When you come, you'll receive over 500 pages of curriculum free when you come. We're teaching in San Mateo, Mountain View, Dublin, Alamo, and Granite Bay. We'll be in San Mateo at the Poplar Creek Golf Course, March 15th. That's a Wednesday in the morning. That afternoon in Mountain View at the Shoreline Golf Links. That's Wednesday afternoon. The next day we're in Dublin at the Ranch Golf Course, March 16th, Thursday morning.